Hey there, Shopify store owners. Welcome back to another exciting video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of customizing your Shopify checkout page. Before we begin, make sure you have a Shopify account set up and your store is ready to roll. Step 1. Accessing checkout customization. Once your Shopify account is up and running, navigate to the Sales Channel section. Inside the Sales Channel, find and select Online Store. Before we dive into the checkout customization, make sure you have a suitable theme installed and your store template is verified. Step 2. Customize your checkout page. First, select Customize button. Every theme in Shopify has its own unique checkout page design. I'll be demonstrating with the default theme, Dawn. To begin customizing, open the drop-down menu in the Theme Customization. Next, locate the Checkout section and click on it. You'll now have access to customize your checkout page. Let's take a moment to understand what a basic checkout page looks like. As you can see, a typical checkout page consists of product details, delivery options, a shopping cart summary, and payment information. It should look professional and user-friendly. You can begin by uploading a logo to your checkout page. Simply click on Upload Image and select your logo file. Adjust the logo's width as needed. You can also change colors, typography, fonts, and font sizes, layout, button opacity, and even background images to suit your brand's style. Be sure to click Save after making changes to apply them. Your checkout page is now taking shape with your brand's unique identity. Now scroll down, and then you can see Checkout, and click on it. First, you can change your banner, background image, and then you can change your logo. This is your decision. And now let's change the font or size, and color, or position, etc. You can change all the available buttons and changes the setting. That's a wrap on customizing your Shopify checkout page for 2023. We're here to help you succeed in your e-commerce journey. If you're seeking assistance with anything Shopify related, feel free to get in touch through my LinkedIn profile. Just click on the link below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video editing tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.